people are joining party, leaving party, like Bihar mein bhi ho raha hai, everywhere else it's happening. On the eve of election, you see many people shifting stand. Don't you think now, my favorite phrase myself, now the conviction is becoming a matter of convenience for all of you?
No, when it comes to a party like Congress, it does not. Because people leaving at the time when there's an election and unko kuch fayda hone wala, it's different. But here we have seen over a period of time, right from Hemant Biswas or Ajay Kumar, or now very recently Mr. Scindia, Sachin Pilot almost left, whether it was Priyanka Chaturvedi or Tom Vadakar, or myself, and so many others. When we leave the party, or G23, what we would like to call them, the 23 people who wrote a letter, very strong, and a letter quite understandingly, who have given their entire life to the party.
I will stop you here. You find 23 in your new party who can sign this kind of letter, then I will see.
No. If there is a crisis, I'm sure they will. There's no crisis. See, fortunately, there's no crisis. You don't see that kind of a crisis. So when the 23 members, okay, I have joined party 6 years back. आपको पार्टी के बारे में क्या मालूम, मुझसे सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. Agreed, मैं नहीं जानती, सिर्फ 6 साल में मैंने पार्टी के अंदर से सीखा है. लेकिन जब 23 लोग एक खत लिखते हैं और खत की जो बात होती है, उसके ऊपर जिस तरह पे उनके ऊपर एक क्या कहते हैं, एक कीचड़ उछाला जाता है कि आपने किसी और वजह से आपने ये खत हमें लिखा है. So that sets you thinking, like you don't do this to the 23 people who are there. You have to really understand that why people are abandoning a ship which is supposed to sail smoothly. People have jumped into the ship, like I jumped into the ship and it was sinking in 2014. It was at its lowest ebb, the worst defeat they have seen, with just 44 seats in Lok Sabha. Yet I jumped into Congress because there was a belief. But then that belief is not there now. So the Congress party, the leadership in Congress party, first they have to own up the leadership. We don't have a leader to call, say, okay, Sonia ji is there, she's the interim president. But we need to choose a leader. Where is the leader? Who do we go and speak to? Because you say something to Rahul ji and he says, I'm not the president, don't come to me. So who do we go to?
And again, you are reiterating what we have been talking from the beginning. I'll go back to the general question. You are also talking about individuals from the beginning, because now the new politics talk about individuals. Don't you think you are supporting the hypothesis that ideologies are thinking, individuals are rising in new politics? But you cannot join the BJP and not talk about Narendra Modi. In Congress party, you cannot be a Congressee unless you say Rahul Gandhi Jindabad, Sonia Gandhi Jindabad. In Lalu Prasad Yadav, you cannot be a party worker unless you say Lalu Prasad Jindabad or his son Jindabad. And if you go to Mamta Didi, you have to say Mamta Ji, Mamta Ji, Mamta Ji. So what is happening? Do you support this kind of individuals getting preference over any ideology? Now the ideologies are written by the new individual who comes to power. Rahul Gandhi, the new ideology of the Congress party, according to you. So you also support the rise of individualism?
There should be a rise of the party. Any individual person can rise above the party only if the people believe that this particular person has the capacity to take the party to its best height. Somebody like our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has got that kind of an image, because starting from nowhere, the position what is acquired today, BJP is there, BJP is a party, but then he has built an image for himself which is above the party. And that speaks a lot about a leader. You need to rise above everything else. People need to believe in one person. The minute here, people believed in Kalingar, that's why they believed in DMK. People believed in Anna, that's why they believed in AIDMK. People believed in M.G. Ramachandran. People believed in Jayalalitha. So people, or in Andhra, people believed in NTR. People have to believe in the individual. So only then people start believing in the party, because they think the party is affiliated to them. The party is there. I'm voting for this AIDMK is because Amma is there. I'm voting for DMK because Kalingar is there. I'm voting for one party in Andhra because NTR is there. So today when the people of this country, 128 crore people vote for this country, they vote for BJP is because there's a man above that, and that is the Honorable Prime Minister.